Maybe if I smiled a little more, then it wouldn't hurt as much as it did. For as long as I could remember, the pain had engulfed my body like white on rice. Maybe if I spoke a little more, talked a little more, uttered a little further, then people would understand the pain and burden I carry inside. I am tormented day in, day out by thoughts and feelings unknown. My life story is not a beautiful one, it never had been. For the day when I was born, floods rushed through the village, scattering houses, taking lives. My mother had to rush up into a tree. I was born as owls ululated at the oozing of blood that came out of my mother's body. I never cried. I never uttered, but I was alive. That is when all the troubles and torments started, and I was left with no voice. Maybe if I thought about it a little further, then maybe the pain wouldn't burden me as much as it did. For every time I thought about breaking a kola nut to celebrate my birth, I would break into tears, for I had no voice. Maybe if I could utter a simple hello, then my heart would explode in joy. Oh, how I sometimes wish to talk, just to know how it feels, having my tongue touch the upper part of my mouth, to have my teeth dance in celebration as different words come out of them. I was told that when you are mute, when you are dumb, you are nothing. Hence the pain I carry every day. I wish to be taken serious as presidents when they stand in the podium. I wish one day to be taken as serious as singers as they voice out their voices. I dream of being a Broadway star where I dance, act, where I sing, shout. But I believe one day I will find that voice that is hiding within me. I believe one day I will be able to sing. Oh, wait, hold on. What is this feeling I'm feeling? Wait, I'm about to lose it. Oh my God. And there I am opening my eyes, screaming. It was just a dream. It was just a dream.
Mbukeli weTandla neNkhondlo kwaba kuhle ukuthi phinze sihlangane angibingelele lokubingelela unfortunate Mabuza njengoba wadi ke mbukeli ukuthi la ehlelweni lethu Tandla neNkhondlo si make sure ukuthi sikulethela bosonkondlo labatawuhaya phinze ufunze kibo kulokho kwabo ke mbukeli uyasitakala nje emoyeni noma ngangikulo lophatheke kabi khona but the minute uva inkondlo kuba khona umehluko lo wendakalako namhla ke mbukeli poet yethu lesinaye nguyelindelo utosicocela kabandi ukuthi ungubani ufika kanjani ekubeni ngusonkondlo futhi yini lafise kinda esonkondlo sahamba la ndleleni kuba ngusonkondlo. Welcome to the show and ngicanje uthi maybe a phrase ukuthi who you are.
Ngiyabonga kakhulu Fortunate sanibonani babukeli ekhaya lokhuluma mbekweni ungilindelwa Dube estage bangade ngaBello.
Okay.
Yes, nakhona lo Bello uchamuka ngibaleke ngisayovakasha ngalabe Eswatini bangakhona ukuthi lindelwa bagcine bangiphe igama bathi ngingi-Ausdebello. So kwabe sekwasuka lapho ke kwaba ngiBello. Jenny poet.
Yes. Uqalaphi and where what is the actual date lapho ukhumbula khona kahle ukuthi you know what I realized lana ukuthi kahle kahle ngiyi-poet.
It was okay. It was 2008. Mangikhumbula kahle, it was mid-March. Sisesikolweni St. Michael's because ngaleso sikhathi bengisase St. Michael's. Liyashisa ilanga, ngibhorekile.
Okay.
And bese nginako lokubona ukuthi hayi emagama ngiyawathanda nekubhala ngiyakuthanda. Ngihleti nje ngisetuku embhedi wami ngibheke etulu. Ngiyabhala kwendlula lomunye khona lapha kithi. Ube like, "Oh dude, ubusy ngani?" Ngithi ngiyabhala, ngiyamnika. She's like, "Wow, this is amazing."
Okay.
Chubeka, and you know from that day ngachubeka until today.
Okay. So where waqala kuphi ke ku recite like in front of people, because I know ukuthi as a poet awugcine ukuthi ubhale ubeke lapha kuphela like some of us. Well,
my first encounter beksemvasi elimkhokhweni.
Okay.
Besine event nabo Sphiwe Dead.
Yes.
Nabo Wordsmith limkhokhweni. Yeah. Bekulukhuni because vele bengajwayele ukurecite. Bekulukhuni kakhulu for me. But ngoba bebakhona nabo bangisita sa recite kanye na Wordsmith ngalelo langa. So that was 2015-16 bese recite saqala lapho, and then from lapho bese attenda bahle gallery lapha nalapha. But ku recite angakwendi kakhulu.
Okay.
Yeah.
So are you planning to recite more, or you are planning to write more? Which side are you planning to choose?
Ngicabanga ukuthi kwanyalo ngibe negap ekubhaleni. Ngike ngaba ngumuntu lohlushwa ma emotions ami kakhulu. Bekungifikela ngibe ne anxiety. Ngakhona ukubhala, ngakhona kwendani. So ngale support system lengibe nayo, my mom, my boyfriend, and 3 of my best friends nemfanami bangisupportile, bangisita kubona the bigger picture. So I am looking forward to write more. I am looking forward to record.
Okay.
I have a friend of mine, Liz dlala ngema beats naye.
Nice.
Jojo.
Okay.
Yewena Jojo is his tagline. So we are working on something kanye, something African, something literature, and I'm hoping to eventually write with other poets.
Okay.
A literature poetry book.
Speaking of a support system, you are lucky enough to have people who are by your side when it comes to poetry. There is this one person lapha ekhaya uyabhala fine, and maybe ukile waba poetry industry, but wafikela ngaleto dinginga leti ayifike, then waba like, no, let me just leave this thing, it's not working for me. Good lam supportago. Can you be able to help the person nibonani personally, or you can wing this message just now? And are you willing to help the person nakangafika kuwe personally?
Yes. Yes to everything. Yes, angeda sihlale phansi sikhulume, since njengoba ngishido ukuthi ngiyafisa ukuthi ngathi singagcine sikhokhe incwadi.
Okay.
You know, I'm looking for amateurs, I'm looking for labangakwadi nalokubhala, I'm looking for fresh people labakwatiko, labakwati kwendlula nanami. Ukuthi sihlanganeni and singabuke ukuthi hawu ngidawakha malini. Seke sende mahalaha. Sikhokhe lencwadi isite labanye. You know, and lo hlede ekhaya lo ningakhona ukufika kimi. Don't give up. You know, just focus. Chubeka ubhale kude ligama lotalibhala leli wrong. Kude isentence lotayakha le wrong. whatever you are making kuqhamuka kuwe, as long as kunayo i-message la ngemuva kwawo, chubeka. Kuthi abakusupport nami 10 years ago, everyone said, oh, your stories are sad, your stories ayazikhalisa, try something romantic. And ngaleso sikhathi I had nothing romantic in me, you know, but angiyekelanga. Ngathatha leyo break, but deep inside bengisolo ngiva leNkhondlo iqhubeka itidlalela la ngekhathi. La magama akemi mahala wakhokhe. Lala la ngekhathi kuwe wakhokhe. I met him at a four-way street. There and then I knew he had to be mine. Oh, so fine. The way he walked, the way he spoke, it crippled my mind. I met him at a four-way street. There and then I knew I was his and his was mine. The skin of his chest made my heart palpitate. Oh, mystery man, won't you come closer and have me in your embrace? I long for you, I seek for you, I dream of you. Just at that corner, as I was about to cross over to him, there was a commotion that took my eyes from his gaze a split second, and he was gone. OMG, and he was gone. My four-way street man, I long for thee, just to hold the tips of your fingers, caressing the spine of your body. I dream of you in the future. You bring my breath to breathe, my water to drink. You bring my eyes to see. You being my body to walk. Oh, mystery man, won't you see that I need thee so? Come back to me, for I have no idea where you are. I will wait at that four-way street until you come again. I will camp there. I will wait. I will starve. I will thirst. I will wait until you come back. For that four-way street will become my home. That four-way street will become my refuge. Oh, won't you come back, my four-way man?
Speaking of kusebenzisana as a poets, we do have poets that are very good in what they are doing. But I feel like, you know what, I cannot share my craft with anyone else out there. When it comes to collaborating, maybe, or and share ideas or organize an event. What can you say to encourage that person in terms of working together?
Rome wasn't built in one day.
Mm-hmm.
And it needed a whole lot of people to build it. A whole lot. So the minute when uhlete ekhaya ungafuni lokusida, we are not going to build Rome.
Mm-hmm.
So kulukhuni ukuthi ngingathi akente njani, but leya info lentwi lelapha ekhathe enhlitweni yakhe lesolimluma ngiyo lelethi phuma utosida. Akede ngiyamcela ngiyamncenga if bengikhona bengitawuguca phansi ngikhale, cause nasesikhuluma iqiniso the industry iyafa kancane kancane, and nalala banayo le talent abati kuthi bente njani, abati kuthi baqalephi. So wena losovele ukwati, you need to come out and teach the kids.
So it cannot be Tandla neNkhondlo, of course, without you telling us your favorite poem, Lotos Recital Ayona, and tell us more about it. Like, what made you write about it?
I am one person who is pro animals.
Okay.
I love animals. I love them so much. And I've been meaning to volunteer with ISOs, but bakashane and babane, and I'm here. It has always saddened me mangikhanza inja efasini. Ngikhanze kati akajiwe. Ngikhanze inyoni bayivalele cage. Ngikhanze libhubezi lisetshenziswa kuma circus. Ngikhanze, all these, usetshenziswa tinja for my photo shoot, monetary purposes. So the poem lena is more or less around that area. You would see, let us stop it, because if we would switch coins and animals with cages, angicabangi singabe singajabula. She was just a pretty bird, colorful feathers full of resilience that turned into a deep depression. Pretty as she was, no one ever got to see her fly. Flying was all she dreamt of day in, day out. Oh, master, if you love me, let me go. She would cry about this. She would lament about it, missing her mother and her father. With a voice so delicate, she sang. Every night she sang. Crowds would marvel at her voice, but no one ever got to see her fly. As marvelous as her voice was, all she wanted to do was to fly up in the clouds so high, up, flying, floating with other birds. I used to watch her from the corner of the street. I'd see her tears, they would burden me. I'd see her shivers, it would startle me. I wish I had a way to help her, but my mother would stop me every time. Hey, it is not your place, she would say to me. Oh, pretty bird, how I'd love to see you fly. One day I would come to your rescue. One day I will let you fly so high. I look at your body, it shivers each time. Each time you sing, a little tear drops by your beautiful, delicate feathers. Oh, how I wish to save you, pretty bird. You would cry every day. Hey, master, if you love me, let me grow. If you love me, let me fly. He would just look at you, sickened by your beauty. I believe there's a time where birds would be let out. That cage is not forever. That cage will not hold you. Oh, master, if you love me, let me go. If you want me, let me fly. I will come back. It's just a dream. I will come back just to see you beam. Oh, pretty bird, hang in there. Your voice is the reason I'm still alive. Your prettiness, I want to see shine.
Ukudweba bengidweba back then but ngacela ukuthatha serious mu 2020 ngathi nangiphuma ka form 5 ngathenga ama pencil ami ne material ngacela ku sketcher base ke bangani babangitshela ukuthi vele ngitalented ngachubeka ngadweba lokhu ngitotoba kancane.
Okay, so ucala ngamuphi umnyaka kuphela?
Okay, ngasho ukuthi ngacala kubo 2016.
Okay.
Yeah, bengisemncanyane yabona bengibu form 2.
Okay.
Yes.
Udweba uyabeka or uyaqala uyadweba chamuke ama clients ayathenga?
Okay, udweba ngiyabeka since lesikili besisengaka polisheki kahle until bacela kungirecognize abantu labanyenti late 2020 base ke baqala ba supporta labo labanye bathi ngicela ngibadwebe mahala bekuyalena le.
Okay.
Yes.
So Nyalo, are you still drawing for free? Talent lingaka Londoloza. Well, what's going on?
Hayi ngiyalo sengishintshile lencola. Nangudweba uyabhadala ufaka ideposit. Portraits. Kanyalo ngisadwebe ama portraits since ngizafuna ku-achieve i-hyper realistic standards and then sengangena kulamanye ama kinds of artworks.
Okay, so
Yes.
when drawing, what is it that you use?
Okay, I use charcoal and graphite pencils since ngiyolasita ukuthi ukhona lokhu achieve le hyper realistic standards khona i-client itawujabula ngesithombe sayo plus sithombe se client sita sesifreniwe sesihle.
Okay, ngiyakuba labo charcoal frames. Do you get profit from lo msebenzi wakho noma ugcine ukhanza ukuthi you are just drawing ngalokuthi unelithalenta and you love your work?
I-profit ngiyayenda siswami since uthola ukuthi lama pencil ungalithenga abamanyenti.
Okay.
And then ngiyamdweba since ngihla ngifaka nema colored pencil uthola ukuthi lama charcoal nama graphite akasheshi aphela.
Okay.
Yes.
So naku-ke somdrawile umuntu uyaye wende njani? Do you get a picture yalo muntu lotomdweba noma uyayifuna ukuthi lo muntu afike la kuwe uyaye wende kanjani?
Okay, kwanyalo ngijabulela ukuthi umuntu angiforwardele isithombe sakhe.
Okay.
Since ngisengaqala ku-conceptualize ukuthi umuntu abe lana ngemdwebe noma ngikhumbule imemory yakhe. Since vele ngisafika kule art le.
Okay.
Yes.
So kwanyalo usebenza ama-individuals ukuthi ngusende last thombe uyadraw. Unaso yini isifiso Londoloza as Timvoti ihamba, what are your future plans? Sicale lapho nje when it comes to lo msebenzi wakho eTandla, or you are just doing it now? Then kutawufika isikhathi lapho utawuthi khona I was just doing it for bekuyi-hobby kahle.
Okay, ma future plans nginawo vele ngasi nangicala ukudweba benginawo vele ma future plans ukuthi nami ngiyafisa kuba ngumuntu lo ona i-art gallery sitawukhona ku-showcase ema art ethu sehlukahlukene sesinalabanye labashaya le-conceptual nalabanye abashaya i-canvas konke sikucombine kube yimvo yinye.
Okay.
Yeah.
So Nyalo, if ungathola lithuba nje zithi imithandazo yakho oyivakala ungatfokotela yini kusebenza nalabanye, maybe bathi fika kithi ubeke khona umsebenzi wakho sithengisela or sitawusebenza imifebe as much as wena wenda ema-portraits, maybe bathi ungasidwebela incenye uyatfunga loyo muntu then uthi ungadweba wena sisebende tithombe ufakwe etikipeni. Can you be able to do that? Noma wena uthi know what mina ngidila nama-portraits, if people can't work with my portraits that's fine.
Okay, kwanyalo ngathi ngacela bangibeke delele kuloku dweba etikipeni. Since ngisengakajabi lokhu ungena lapho isikhathi esitawufika nase ngipolishile lapho and nase ngishaya itala research ngekuthi le timvu leti udithola kanjani and uyakhona yini ukuthola iprofit usaqala.
Okay.
Yes.
So are you willing to learn from people labayaye bafebe etikipeni or anything nje lapho ungafeba khona ngaphandle kwewenda ama-portraits?
Okay, lo ngakujabulela lokuthi bangifundzise ngindaba nalo lwati iphindze tuka lokho ngishare nalabanye senze uthathola ukuthi inspiration labanye abantwana and bangajabulela ukuthi ubona mina as imentor yabo ingena kule dwebenti keeper.
Okay.
Yes.
So ke kule midvebo yakho Tandla takho edvulekile yini for maybe nginemfana nje ngibona ukuthi yathi umfana wami talented but ushoda ngemuntfu langamuthi nje kumpolipolisha akhona ekuveba imvo lebonakalako lephilako.
Tandla tami tevuleke kakhulu Nkosi yami kumcoka ukuthi sisitane since umumvu ngabantu. So anyone lo ufuna lisito angeta kimi angangithola ka social media.
Okay.
Ngixolisi King Molefe on Facebook, Instagram and Twitter naka TikTok nawo sengikhola. Yes, angangithola ngibabete kuchoma noma timbo letinjalo.
Okay.
Yes.
So ungathini ke ku encourage abalingani bakho labane amatalent alahlukile not draw kuphela but banawo amatalent and bahlethe ekhaya you know life after high school utikhanze usote longaphila ngako. So what can you say to them? Incenye unalo talent but akasisho ukuthi litalent utasinaka yendila sithi nje incenye kwakha licicwe utasina selakhile balithenge yini.
Okay, lengaba advisor ke ukuthi abatithembe because imfo ngeke uyende ungadithembi and the moment uthithemba the moment kuvuleka imfo letinkhulu empilweni since imfo uqala uyiconceptualize before it comes to fruition. So ngasho ukuthi they should chase their dreams with a positive mindset. Anything is possible. Yabo.
Okay.
Yes.
So look, social would say anything is possible. What keeps you going when it comes to your craft?
Yeah, faith and self-belief. Nalokuthi ngipassionate ngalo kudweba.
Okay.
Noma ngabe ngithinyokani, I make sure ukuthi every day I try sketch something in order to improve. Yes.
So I would disturb yini from your schoolwork or something lo yendako which is making you ukuthi ukhona kuphila.
No, I won't disturb at all because ingqondo yami sengiyitrainile ukuthi nabe sikhathi setincwadi ngiyadadisha nabo sikhathi sekudweba ngiyadweba nawo sikhathi sekwenda lokho nalokho ngenda nalokho ngiyati discipline.
Okay.
Yes, nalokuthi ethemba nje into letinjalo sister.